Trust Wallet Crypto Review. Looking for a reliable crypto wallet? In this review, we'll be taking a closer look at Trust Wallet, one of the most popular options available, so let's dive into its features, pros, and some of its cons. It has a multi-currency support, so Trust Wallet supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, and many altcoins. It also supports NFTs and various blockchains, making it versatile for all types of crypto users. One of the standout features of Trust Wallet is its easy-to-use interface, so whether you are a beginner or an experienced crypto user, navigating the wallet is simple and intuitive to a certain point. Trust Wallet is a non-custodial wallet, meaning you control your private keys. The app uses industry-standard security measures to keep your funds safe, including biometric authentication and backup recovery phrases. For staking support, Trust Wallet allows you to stake a variety of cryptocurrencies directly within the app, so you can have passive income stream. It's a decentralized app browser, so it has a built-in app browser allowing you to interact with decentralized applications and platforms. This feature adds a lot of functionality, especially for users interested in DeFi and NFTs. And Trust Wallet is available as a mobile app for both Android and iOS, so you can access your funds. Some of its very limited cons is the non-existence of a desktop version, and it's not ideal for beginners even though it has somewhat of an easy-to-use interface, and it has a limited customer support. So that's about it, and that's our Trust Wallet review. It's a solid option for crypto enthusiasts looking for a secure and easy-to-use wallet. If you'll be ready to try it out, do that, and thank you for watching.